Tuesday afternoon, the IAC spread love around the university through a Valentine's Day art workshop.
We have Valentine's Day card making, and we also have Polaroids that you can take. Students or staff or faculty can come and pose with their favorite artwork, take home a Polaroid, and really the goal of that is to just have a memento that represents Valentine's Day and love, and of course some of the art here.
In the spirit of Valentine's Day, students are able to decorate cards for their loved ones or for their friends.
Although Valentine's Day is known to be a romantic time for couples, the IAC wanted to give everyone a chance to celebrate, whether they are single or taken.
Valentine's Day to me just means spending time with the people in your life that you think are special and important to you, and I think this event, just being able to come with your friends and take pictures and do crafts together, really just embodies that sentiment.
Valentine's Day to me is about showing love to everybody. I spend a lot of time with my friends and my family. I do a lot of Valentine's events. My parents always send me flowers for Valentine's Day while I'm away in college. So Valentine's Day for me is just about showing everybody that you love them, even if it's not romantic.
In addition to giving students a holiday theme event, the IAC hopes students will come back to view the art that's on display.
We're hoping that it'll bring more people in to look at the art and just bring more people into the space where they can study and relax, and at the same time just appreciate the work that we have up.
Camille, Coney, Troy, TrojanVision News.